Hi everyone, my name is Edmund Ariano. I'm your race director for the Pensacola 5K and 10K Kiss Me Run. I want to talk about a few things. First of all, your registration is going to be here on the beach. However, it's going to be by the recreation center over there to your right. Once you've checked in, you're going to walk over to the pier right behind me. This is your start and your finish line. When we get started, you're going to run directly down this beach.
I have come to set you free.
Until you get to your designated halfway point. For the 5 kilometer, that's 1.51 miles. For the 10 kilometer, that's 3.12 miles. There are a few things that you can expect while you're here. We'll absolutely have water stations here. We'll make sure you have water, Gatorade, and snacks. We'll also have bananas and fruit. But anything else you can bring with you. Just please do not litter the beach. Keep it with you, put it in your pocket, and throw it away. When you get here, you're going to park directly behind me. It's a big parking lot on campus. And you're going to walk right over to the registration area, which will be right there by that bench. Once you're done checking in, you're going to walk over to the pier. Hi. So, okay, pause it for a second. Get exactly. Cool. Ready?
Go.